It's been 6 months since the first COVID-19 case was confirmed in Peru. And even though the country imposed a strict lockdown early on, it's now registered more deaths per capita from the virus than almost any other nation. Many here are losing patience.
People think that this virus is a joke. This is something they don't believe. They think it's a smokescreen. I have family members who've died because of COVID, so this is not a game. This is real and people take it as a game. They even have parties and meetings without wearing face masks.
So far, in Peru, over 600,000 people have been infected by coronavirus. On Tuesday, the country reported over 30,000 deaths. Peru is a country of 33 million people with high poverty rates and a healthcare system that has been chronically underfunded, leaving it unable to cope with the demands of COVID-19. Over 150 doctors have died in the past months. Healthcare workers say they feel completely abandoned by the government.
We have always been concerned about the health of our colleagues, and with our own funds, we managed to move them from different regions to Lima. We have moved about 100 doctors to save their lives. In this case, we do not see any major interest on the part of the government, and we feel abandoned. The same goes for the medicines in the ICUs. There are no medicines.
Peru imposed a lockdown early in March, but attempts to restart the economy caused further spikes of the virus. Peru's economy is largely informal, and social distancing is difficult in its overcrowded markets and populated slums. In recent weeks, police officers have been breaking up gatherings in bars and at community events, making arrests as they take a stricter approach to policing quarantine rules.
El COVID no mata solo.
COVID does not kill alone. Let's not be an accessory. Who are the accessories? Those organizing family parties, organizing community gatherings, organizing sports events with no measures in place.
Even though Peru seemed to do everything right to fight the spread of COVID-19, it has not worked as planned. Like many other Latin American countries, Peru was already struggling when the pandemic struck, making it all the more difficult to save lives. Teresa, Al Jazeera.